Thank you, Hella. I want to go to Texas and visit Sylvia and go on a trip to Mexico. Mexico. So badly. So badly. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. I do. I do, Sylvia. Thank you. Thank you, Ari. Ooh, that would be so fun, Sylvia. Good morning, beautiful Anna. That would be so fun. Do a live with Sylvia. Oh, it would be my honor. My honor. Hello, Lydia. Good morning, good morning. Happy Saturday. This feels good. This is so right. Thank you, Suds. I'll grab a can for you, babe. That would be so fun. So fun. You're in southern Texas, Sylvia? You know where I am. I'm in Arizona. We got a can in here. Oh, thank you, Dee Dee. I would love to go there. Thank you, Dee Dee. Thank you, Dee Dee. San Antonio. I've never been to San Antonio. I've been to Galveston, Houston, Dallas. I've never been to San Antonio. That would be awesome. Sylvia, would your husband be like, what the heck? What the heck, darling? You're gonna go hang out with a stranger? What the heck? Yes, yes. Dee Dee just sent for the last big box of baking soda. Siska. Really? You're lucky. My sweetheart would be like, what if they're a killer? Which would make sense. Has anybody met somebody else from Clean Talk in real life? Yeah, yes, Hella, yes, yes. Wait. Yeah, that's right. I don't know why my math in my head was going weird. I thought I had less baking soda than I had. On Google Maps, nice. Nice. My sister wants to move to Texas. She says that you get your money's worth living there. Really? Oh, that's sweet. Yeah, Siska lives about, what do you say, Siska? She lives about 10 minutes away from me, but we haven't met in person. I've seen her sweetheart before, but we've never met in person. Oh, I'm glad you like him, Dee Dee. Thank you, Suds. What do you guys think? Should we switch out the sponges so that you guys could see the colors more? The pinks? Or do you guys want to stay with this one? Hi, Erica. Oh, that's cool. So, Sylvia, I want to move to San Antonio, so we can hang like wet clothes. I love Sylvia. She handles herself with such poise. Never any drama in her lives. Hey, yeah, Hella. Yes, new life goals. Oh, that would be so cool. That would be so cool. I would really do a trip because I've been wanting to go somewhere lately. And my daughters went to California this weekend. And I'm like, I have to get out of Arizona pretty soon just for a trip. I don't live near there, Ari, but I would totally come visit you too. I need to do more. I just sit and watch TV a lot on the weekends. So I would totally. Ooh, this is good, guys. Look at this. Ooh, Hawaii for a month. Oh, that sounds rough. That sounds amazing. That sounds awesome. Oops, wrong side. You love to travel? Ooh, we should travel together, Sylvia. Hang out and travel. Rachel, are you getting filtered? I haven't seen you say anything, so maybe you are. Let me see. Let me scroll. Let me see my Rachel say anything. Thank you, Siska. Hey, my daughters, we got our passports because we wanted to go to the Greek Isles. So we haven't even used our passports yet, but that's why we got our passports, Hella. Fabuloso and Mr. Clean. Let's see. You guys think it's too thick? Because we're gonna be putting more powder in here. Let's put some of the laundry powders in right now. That's it. I wouldn't mind living in Texas. I hear it's really nice. I visited, but my visits were only like weekends. So, oh, excuse me, that wasn't ASMR. But I think it would be a great place to live. Wow, so you're right close to the border. Yeah, guys,